What we're going to do today is show you how to connect your Facebook analytics data or your Facebook ad data to Maralytics. We first need to start by creating our campaign, Facebook ad, and we're going to do a free item. So let's just choose from the list a free item, and our campaign is going to run for about a month, just under a month to the end of this month. We can delete that. So now we need to know how much money are you spending. You can do this as a daily, weekly, or monthly. I'm just going to put it in as a one time. And let's say I'm spending $100 on my ads. So add and continue. We can delete this. I'll close this down because it's not needed. So now we've set up our campaign and we go to the data connect. What we need to do then is connect our data and log in with Facebook. All right, so just wait for it. We're going to connect. And I have I have a personal account and a business account. So I'm going to be linking up my business account and I need to find my campaign ID. So log into your Google Ads, your Facebook Ads Manager. Now, I find by pivoting, customizing the table, I can easily find the campaign ID, but a lot of the time it's up here in the URL as well. So I've just changed my breakdown so I can see my campaign name and my campaign ID. And that's on my table. So here is my ad and the number. So we'll copy that over and then put that into the text box, add and continue. And here we have all the data has imported from that ad. So we can see our clicks, our cost per click, reach, impression, CTR, amount spent, etc. And all the data has imported into the chart as well. So that is how you import your data from your Facebook or Meta Analytics to match up with the campaign.